Hi, Toti Patronage here once again, and welcome back to our course on the principles of patronage, refund, and interest on share capital. Now, we are here in chapter 2. This video is for chapter 2, titled Understanding the Net Surplus. So, for this chapter, we will understand the net surplus. Under this chapter, we will learn two subsections, which is the differentiating net surplus from profit. The second is calculation of net surplus, and C is the role of net surplus in patronage refund. Now, let's go to the first, which is the differentiating the net surplus from profit. So, let's delve into the difference between net surplus and profit. So, net surplus versus profit. So, by definition, the net surplus in the context of cooperative represent the excess payment made by cooperative members for loans borrowed or goods and services purchased from the cooperatives. So it is the excess payments. While for profit refers to the amount of money earned. This is amount of money earned by a business or organization after deducting all expenses, including operating costs, taxes, and interest. So that is the difference by definition. Now, the net surplus by purpose, what is the difference between the two? By purpose for the net surplus and profit. So the purpose of the net surplus is it is not considered as profit, but for profit is essential. Okay, so let's go back to the net surplus. So the purpose of the net surplus is it is not considered as profit, but rather as a surplus that belongs to the members. If distributed, it is akin to returning these payments to the members. While the purpose of profit is essential for sustaining operations, growth, and reinvestment. So that is the difference in terms of the purpose. In terms of calculation, the net surplus is the cooperative determines net surplus at the close of each fiscal year based on their bylaws. While a profit, it is calculated by subtracting total expenses from total revenue. Actually, it's just the same, but practically the same, but there are underlying difference in terms of its application. Now, for the significance, the net surplus it directly impacts patronage refunds and reflects the cooperative's financial health. So that's for the net surplus, that it will impact patronage refund and it will reflect the cooperative's financial health. For profit, unlike net surplus, profit is not automatically returned to investors. No? Instead, it contributes to the overall financial viability of the organization. So, in conclusion, in summary, the net surplus is specific to cooperatives and emphasizes member equity, while profit is a broader financial concept applicable to various types of businesses. Both play crucial roles in organizational sustainability, but their treatment and purpose differ significantly. So that's for the difference between the net surplus and the profit. So if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Toti Patrimonio, and see you in the next section of chapter 2. Thank you very much and have a good day.